You know what's missing on your business? You are only relying on social media to promote your brand. Now, here's the scenario. What if, what if your page got restricted? Your ad account got banned? Like totally gone. Everything is gone. So what's your next move? Paano ka na kukontakin ng mga clients mo? Paano na yung mga bookings mo? Magki-create ka na naman ba ng bagong Facebook page? Like, paano na yung mga followers mo, di ba? Yung pinaghirapan mo ng ilang taon, mawawala na. So, that's the problem and that's the biggest mistake of a Filipino business owners doing. So, to prevent this to happen, you need to have your own website. Kasi kung social media lang yung ginagamit natin, like a third-party app ang ginagamit natin for our online business, for our to promote our brand online, it's just a rented space. So what if magkaroon ka ng sarili mong website? Like, kahit mawala si Facebook, kahit mawala si TikTok, andun pa rin yung website mo. You have your own domain, your business domain, all in one place. And then, you will create your own website. Like, andun na lahat. Your customers can see what you do, your services, can contact you, can book online, can chat you, because we're building a website that has a booking system with a chat widget itself. So, that's it. If you need help to create your business website or a sales funnel website, let me know.